Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to activate a AMEX gift card. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser. You can do it in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar you simply need to type amexgiftcard.com. This will land you on the official gift card website of American Express, where you can buy gift cards and you can even register or activate your gift cards. Now over here on the home page you will be able to see this check balance option in the top right hand corner. So if you click on the check balance option, you will be landed on this gift cards page, where you can manage and activate your gift cards with no fees, and your card is easily replaceable if it is lost or stolen. Your funds won't expire and you can use it online and in store. So in order to start the process of activation, you need to first provide the 15-digit card number that you have. Then you need to provide the expiration date, and then in the back of your card you will be able to see the security code. So you need to enter that 4-digit security code in this section. Afterwards, in the email address, you need to provide the email address, but you can even skip this option as it is optional. But I would highly recommend you to provide your email address so that you could get the confirmation email on your registered email address. After filling these details, you will have to press the continue button. On the next page, you will have to just review the information that you have mentioned previously, and if everything looks correct, you will have to click on the activate option. After doing so, your card will be registered on American Express and it will be activated immediately. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.